Hey, this public service announcement is on behalf of all the YouTube channels that you've ever watched, all those videos that you've ever enjoyed. Remember when you used to go to the theater and spend $15 on a movie ticket and $10 on a bucket of popcorn? Well, that movie ticket and that overpriced bucket of popcorn and soda helped pay for the employees that were there, the building, Hollywood actors, all the filming and editing that has ever taken place for those movies that we watched. Collectively, movies would make hundreds of millions of dollars because we, the consumer, would go and sit at the theater and pay for that overpriced ticket and bucket of popcorn. But wow, hasn't times changed? Now we get to sit in the comfort of our home and we stream Netflix and Hulu or watch Amazon Prime to see all of our favorite movies and TV shows. And all of those services have subscription fees, which you pay a small monthly fee in order to enjoy unlimited content. But here on YouTube, things are different. You don't have to pay a subscription fee, and you get to enjoy millions of hours of free content. But all of us YouTube creators, we still put forth time and money and a lot of energy in order to try to bring you that content. And most of us are not asking you for money. All that we ask is that you hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below. You hear this during and at the end of almost every video that you've ever watched. But do you understand why? Content creators like myself, when we reach a certain threshold and we have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time on our videos, YouTube starts to pay us to create content. Now this money comes from the advertising that many of you are seeing on these videos that you watch. Now YouTube keeps most of it because it's their platform, but they share a small percentage with us content creators. I'm not there yet, so I don't make anything. So on YouTube, videos are ranked according to how popular they are. So when YouTube sees that a particular video is popular and that people are enjoying it, they tend to show that video to other people, thinking that they're going to enjoy it also. But how does YouTube know if a video is liked or not? That's why we have those like buttons. YouTube also looks at how many subscribers a channel has. If a lot of people are subscribing to a particular channel, then they must really like that channel, and they promote that channel to other viewers. When you make comments and suggestions, and you type anything in the comment section below, again, YouTube looks at that and says, there's a lot of activity in that small community. Let's promote that channel, or let's promote that video and show it to others and see if they enjoy it too. So for us content creators, it's important that our video gets shown to as many people as possible. It's how our channel grows, and we build a loyalty base among our viewers, but it also allows us to receive a small revenue from YouTube in order to help pay for the cost of producing these videos. So on behalf of all content creators, please, if you enjoy the video, and if there is just one thing in that video that brings value to you, please hit those like buttons. And if you really like the channel, be sure to subscribe. It benefits you and it benefits us. It benefits you because it tells YouTube what you like to watch. Therefore, YouTube is going to continue to show you similar videos. If YouTube knows that you like to watch woodworking and you've subscribed to woodworking type channels, they're not going to show you a video about knitting or crocheting or basket weaving, because YouTube wants you to spend as much time on YouTube as you're able. Because the more videos that you watch, the more advertising that you see, the more money that YouTube makes. So don't get me wrong. YouTube creators like myself and many others, we really enjoy what we do. We enjoy bringing you good content that you enjoy. We love hearing that feedback. But in order for us to be able to continue doing these things, we need your support. And it really doesn't cost you anything but 2 clicks. Like a video and subscribe to a channel. And of course, if you have questions or comments or suggestions, drop them in the comment section below. Hey, I really appreciate you listening to this public service announcement. And I hope you enjoy this video and all other videos and content that I create and put out on this channel. If you're not a subscriber yet, please subscribe. Got a lot of great woodworking content that I'm going to be sharing with you very soon.